In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add signature block in Adobe Sign. By the end, you'll know exactly how to place a clean professional signature on any document without hassle. This process is quick, reliable, and perfect for contracts, forms, or approvals where you need your signature to look consistent every time. First, open the document in Adobe Sign. Whether you are working from your desktop app or the web interface, make sure the file you want to sign is the version you are ready to finalize. It helps to double-check that all pages are in place, and that any fields or text you've added elsewhere are complete before you move on. With your document open, look for the Fill and Sign tool in the toolbar. This is the workspace designed specifically for personal signing. Selecting Fill and Sign switches the interface to give you simple, focused controls for adding your signature and placing it exactly where you want it on the page. At the top, click Add Signature. This opens a small window where you'll choose how you want your signature to look. You have three options. Type. If you choose Type, you'll enter your name and Adobe Sign will render it in a script-style font for a clean, consistent look. This is great if you want something neat and legible with minimal effort. If you pick Draw, you can sign with your mouse, trackpad, or a stylus on a touchscreen for a more personal touch that resembles your handwritten signature. And if you already have a high-quality image of your signature saved, choose Image and import it. For best results, use a clear, high-contrast image, ideally a scan on a white background, so it blends naturally into the document. Once you are happy with how it looks, click Apply to confirm your choice and make your signature available to place. Now, it's time to add the signature block. Move your cursor over the document and click exactly where you want the signature to appear, typically on or above the signature line. After placing it, you can drag to fine-tune the position so it aligns neatly with any existing lines or labels. If the size needs adjustment, use the handles on the corners to scale it so it looks balanced with the surrounding text. A quick visual check here ensures the result looks professional and intentional. That's it. Thanks for watching.